In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a Game Pass in Roblox on an iPhone or Android so that people can donate to you and please donate. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my very best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Roblox app and tapping more down in the bottom right corner. And what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down on this page until you see the option for create. Go ahead and select it and then tap the three lines up in the very top left to go into your creations. From here, go ahead and select your place. And once you do select your place, click the three lines up in the top left again and scroll down until you see the monetization tab. Go ahead and select passes. Now I will say your place does need to be set to public in order for this to work. So make sure it is public. If not, go ahead and tap those three dots to switch it to public and then do this. But once you do get into the passes tab specifically, go ahead and select create a pass, where you can now change the picture, change the name, and add a description, and then select create pass. After doing so, go ahead and go back to this passes section and find that pass that you just created, select it, and then go ahead and hit these three lines in the top left again and go into sales. From here, list the item to sale and then set the price to whatever you would like. Just keep in mind, Roblox is going to take 30%. So say you set it to 100 Robux, you're only going to earn 70. But once you're ready for this, go ahead and hit save changes. And now we can actually use it and please donate. So back out of this section, go to the home option and go to please donate. And once you do get into please donate, go ahead and run up to one of these stands over here and claim it. And as you can see, your passes are going to appear on there. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.